Hi dear friends, I am here to tell you the 5 best study tips. So start. First of all, the number 1 strategy is pick a place and time. Everyone has their own idea about the best place and time to study, whether it's your bedroom at night or the library after school. Find a study space and a regular study time that works for you and stick with it. Set up your study space and find your best time. Number 2 strategy: study every day. If you study a little bit every day, you will be continually reviewing things in your mind. This helps you understand things. It also helps you avoid the stress of last minute cramming. Early in the year, an hour or two a night might be enough to stay on top of things. Later in the year, you might need to study more each day. If you are finding it hard to find time to study, cut back on some of your other activities. Prioritizing study might mean spending less time online, or it might mean cutting back on shifts at work, or giving weekend sport a miss for a while. Number 3 strategy is review and revise. At least once a week you should go back over the things you have studied in class. Thinking things over can help you to understand the concepts and help you remember when you need them the most. Quiz. Get a friend or family member to quiz you on key concepts. Offer to help your friends with their work too. Quizzes are a great way to get confident about what you know and find out what you still need to learn. Make your own study materials. Think up some practice exam questions or create your own flashcards to help you study. This way you learn it all twice, once when you make the study materials and once you use them to revise. Number 4 study strategy: ask for help. If you are stuck on something or something just doesn't seem to make sense, you can always ask for help. Talk to your teachers and lecturers about the things you don't understand. Talk to your friends and fellow students too. Number 5 strategy: stay motivated. When you are studying, it helps to keep in your mind reasons for doing all this hard work, like a course or career you are working towards. It can help to have something in your study space to remind you of your goals. You could also decorate your study space with inspirational quotes or photos of people you admire and family members you want to make proud of you. So these are best 5 study strategies you can act upon. For more videos, kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, never miss any update. And if you need tutor, you can call on given numbers or WhatsApp.